This video will demonstrate how to install door gasket support and holders. Unplug your unit from its power source before beginning. Here's a shot of what your gasket should look like without holders. Open doors simply lift off. Carefully put them aside so they do not get damaged. With a drill, remove the hardware to take off the door strike. Also remove hardware to take off both hinges. Lift the gasket to locate the screws that'll keep the gasket holders and support in place. Loosen the screws, but do not remove them. Do this process for the two sides and the bottom of the top door. Here's a close-up of a door gasket holder. The arrow shows the slots that you will slip behind the gasket and then tighten the screws. Install your left gasket door holder and then tighten the screws to align it into place. Be careful not to strip screws when using a power drill to tighten them. If you are using a power drill, use it on a low setting. Refasten screws to put the door strike back on. When finished, check the door strike and adjust if necessary. If you put it on a setting as low as possible, it's the best setting. The pin has to be on it to release. Install the door gasket holder on the right side and fasten the screws. Now you can place your door hinges back on. Finally, install the door gasket support on the bottom of the top door. Fasten all of your screws, and finally you can put the door into place and return to normal operating conditions. This is what your gasket should look like after installation is complete. If you have any questions, please contact our service department.